Okay, walking down the main street here in Durrës, coming from the bus station. And so on my way to my hotel, past the big shopping center which is here. And yeah, so that's a good orientation point. You can already smell the water. Yeah, in the back you can see that's a bit of the harbor, so you can already smell the wonderful ocean smell. This is a nice place to have it, coffee or tea. And back there is the main pedestrian street. But here, yeah, you can also sit outside and have a drink or a snack here. Down here you can get just impromptu lunch and then have it here, sit on these blocks and eat it. That's very convenient. And oh, okay, here comes a shopping center, sort of part 2. Yeah, that's up here. They also have some nice massage chairs up there. And okay, I think I should be getting close to the place, though he didn't describe it very precisely. Okay, and over here is a small shop. Doesn't look like much, but I got some good stuff there last time. Dabur, I remember. So we'll check that out. So this is it. Let's go. Let's look at this. So here we go. I wasn't dreaming. You can see here there's a massage chair, and then a sport shop, and then we've got here a nifty clothing shop. Okay, let's go up one more. Okay. Another nice shop. And here, Gloria Fashion. Okay, let's go back down. Okay, let's go.
Yung malapot siya.
Okay, so this is actually where the massage chairs are at. It was in the other shopping center, with these two which are close to each other nearby. That's where they were actually at. So, yeah, okay. Got that a bit mixed up. Wow, these figurines. All this nice stuff. Oh yes, and this is a very nice shoe shop. Buffalo. Bought some shoes here. Okay, let's go up one floor higher. See what's up there. Okay. These are really very delicious. All right, okay. So now I'll show you a very nice another fashion store, which is right here. So yeah, look at this nice blue shirt and these excellent polo shirts, but I dare not go inside for risk of buying something. And these are of course pricey. These are brand items, but they're very nice. I bought a few there, and really, yeah, well worth it. Yeah. So this is in the center. Oh, this is a nice polo shirt too. In the center, and very close to those big shopping centers over there.